we are headed out on another thrifting adventure. Once again, we are at Helping Hands in Benton. It is my favorite thrift store, hands down. It is where I get all of my clothes, and it is even better this time of year, and I will show you why a little later. Unfortunately, I have absolutely no more room for dishes. If I had any room, this is definitely the place I would be shopping at. In the summer, Helping Hands has the cutest little snow cone shop. I always get bananas and cream. Always, every time. Okay, so for the haul, Jason spent, I think, 30 bucks, and he got this tiny little pump organ. It looks especially small with him on it. It doesn't exactly work, but he's gonna make it work. He's gonna make a lot of things, a lot of things work. Like my refrigerator, he's gonna make it work, and the lawnmower. He's gonna make it all work. I spent $6. First off, I got this basket, which is adorable. It's got a lid. The handle was broken, so I wrapped it with some fabric ribbon, and it's perfect now. See, I got this black and white, and I guess it looks kind of like a blue jean material. And it's from the Limited, and I looked it up on Poshmark, and it is $40 there. And it has pockets, and it is very comfortable. So this is $40 on Poshmark, but I paid $1 thrifting. See, I've got this yellow, which is my second favorite color. My first favorite color is brown because Jason says so, and that's why. This is Antonio Milani, and on Poshmark they wanted $39. And brand new in the store, this thing would have been a couple $100. And this one is probably my favorite, $1. I got this from the Loft, another yellow. There was a lot of black and white and a lot of yellow, so I got the black and white. That was what was in my size. It's a little big. I'm gonna have to take this up because I'm less than nothing. On Poshmark, they wanted $25. A little big. It's a size 0. And I'm less than 0. I'm less than nothing. When I sew my own clothes, I'm a size 12. But the sizing charts when you go into a store are a little different. If you know how to sew, even just a little, then you can make your clothes look a lot more expensive just by tailoring them. Fits a little better now. So I took it up right here and then a little in the shoulders. And I've had it about 5 seconds. And I've already got a Poshmark on it. Well, I only spent $1 on my clothes. This one is gorgeous. BCBG. And it was 25 bucks on Poshmark. I paid $1. That brand usually runs about $300 or $400. Now it does look like the elastic has kind of give out in the back, so I'm gonna have to put some more elastic in it. It's very romantic. So it's fitting a little better in the back. This one is gorgeous. Very romantic. So I put red lipstick on, which kind of looks ridiculous. And last but not least, this is Mystique. And they're pretty expensive, brand new. And on Poshmark, this would have been $25. $25, and I got it for $1. It looks super fancy. It fits like a glove. I feel super fancy. $1. Jason is taking me to town in this dress. He's always like, girl, I can't take you nowhere. You don't. Yeah, I feel better. So all of this stuff put together would have been $154, and I paid $5. It has pockets. And all of these dresses are really expensive. This is a great deal, thrifting, and it would have been a great deal even on Poshmark. Y'all have a good one.